In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset text in Canva, a useful technique to make your design stand out with a professional touch. If you're looking to add a bit more flair to your digital creations, mastering this technique will certainly give them that needed edge. Let's dive right in and take a look at how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First off, you'll want to have your Canva project open where you plan to apply the offset text effect. Go ahead and pick the text you want to enhance by simply clicking on it. Doing this will open a range of editing options that you can use to attain the desired effect. Now, turn your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll find and click on the Effects button. This is a crucial part of the process, because Canva hosts all its text effects options here. It's your gateway to adding a dynamic visual element to your text. By clicking on Effects, you'll see a variety of options available to modify your text, each of them offering a unique creative style. As you explore the different effects, you'll find various styles to try out. For our purpose today, we'll focus on the outline effect, which is ideal for creating that offset appearance. All you need to do is select this effect from the list, and you'll immediately notice your text transforming into an outlined version. The outline effect instantly gives your text that offset vibe, providing a layered appearance that stands out against any background. With the outline effect applied, you're not quite done yet. You'll want to refine it by adjusting the thickness of this outline. Canva offers an easy-to-use slider for this purpose. You can slide it to increase or decrease the thickness, allowing you to hit that perfect visual balance for your design. A thicker outline can provide a bold statement, while a thinner one might add a touch of subtlety. So, take a moment to adjust the slider until you achieve the look you're aiming for. Next comes the fun part, adding color to your outline. Click on the color icon that appears next to the thickness slider. This action opens up a color palette from which you can choose a diversity of hues. The right choice of color can significantly boost the visual impact of your text, either by helping it blend seamlessly with your design or by making it the standout focal point. Whether you opt for a vibrant red or a calming blue, select a tint that aligns well with your overall design aesthetic. And just like that, you've crafted an offset effect for your text in Canva, giving your design a more captivating and dynamic finish. Remember, the secret to great design often lies in experimentation, so don't shy away from trying different effects, thickness settings, and colors until you uncover the perfect combination. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.